How's it going, guys? So, we're back at the farm now. We got the CalTracs on and all that stuff. So, now I got to do a little bit of adjustments because I realized that my shock height, where I had it all the way bottomed out, and I realized, well, that's wrong. But luckily, I drilled some extra holes, so I got to move the shocks up. And then Brad's going to come over, and we're just going to pick away at this and go for a drive. See how these CalTracs work. Oh. Dog alarm. I think he's here. Alrighty, so Brandon's here.
What's up, y'all?
His Sport has low oil pressure, potentially, maybe, kind of, sort of.
Yes.
And
creeping down.
So now he has his spare 6-liter on the stand, and he's going through his garbage.
Yes, I'm relocating parts to assemble a motor.
Exactly.
Hey, this looks clean.
Yep. Anyways, I'm gonna be putting a thermostat on the truck before we go driving today. Here's the stat. Ooh, fancy, out of the box, nice. It's really easy, so just 2 bolts down here, pop it off, put the new one in, put it back in, and hope that everything seals up, because I think it's already gooped up a bit. Anyways, let's do it. Thermostat's in, boost controller is plugged in, and yes, it is, of course, a homemade boost controller, because redneck, I have it backed off to literally nothing just to see what happens, because I don't know what's going to happen. And I have the rear shocks located on the top hole. That's a nicer look of them. Last time they were a little bit dark, so you didn't really get to see them very well, but you know, they look sweet and hopefully they work nice. So, I think we're just gonna drive it for now and see what happens. Yeah, see what happens, see what the boost controller does, see how the shocks and kind of stuff handles, the air-fuel ratio, all that jazz. Yeah, let's do this. Let's go for a ride. Okay, so super close. Seems very close.
Very, very close.
Very, very close. Okay, I'm on my phone, so well, we'll see how this works.
Yep.
Seems decent-ish.
Look at that, god damn it.
You're gonna put the seatbelt on.
I got this last one in here, though. Oh no, Cody was. Oh god.
Yes, Cody was.
Oh god.
Then we have the GoPro on the back, too. And turn both ways at the same time. Okay, perfect. Drive's really mint though. So this is drive with the CalTracs, my new shock mounts. We did a 160 thermostat, which is whatever, and then I have the boost controller on, but it should be at 0, but I brought the wrench to turn it up. But I don't know how much, like one turn can be like fucking
50 pounds.
50 pounds, so I don't know.
It's a homemade boost controller.
Yes, yeah, very homemade.
You got that Cali lead.
Exactly, yeah. Apparently it's better for racing to have a little bit of a rake.
Yeah.
It just looks silly.
Helps transfer.
Yeah. Got a tad bit of Caline and a tad bit of gasser.
Yeah.
Might tickle into boost to see if it's going up or not. Okay.
That was like 12.
That was an easy 10.
Oh yeah, I see 12. Like, she just kept climbing, just.
Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work. That's already more than what I want to run.
What? No. 26.
Well, right now.
Oh,
Because the problem is we don't necessarily have good fuel in it.
yeah.
It's one thing to run like 30 pounds of boost, but another thing to do 30 pounds of boost on shit gas. With no knock sensors. Definitely feels like super responsive though. Alrighty, well let's see if it'll do this time. I'm just gonna launch it normally. Like no burnout, just launch, see what happens. Maybe I'll try and use this.
Nick, that's the best burnout you've ever done.
Hey, yeah! Woo!
Hands down the best burnout you've ever done.
I was like super calm about it too. I was like looking at all the data and I'm like, is it spin tire? It's spin tire, guys!
Oh, that's hands down the best burnout.
Yeah.
Why can't you do that at the track?
I have no idea.
Oh my god!
Okay, let's see if it hooks now. Now that we're heat soaked the shit out of it, let's see if it hooks. A light hit.
God, this thing does great power skids.
Yeah, I know. I think it's just actually making too much power. Because it tickled, like, I think I saw 8 PSI there, so. And it's also the shittiest road known to mankind, by the way.
Oh, it lit the tires up like crazy.
Yeah.
You did hook off the line. As soon as the boost hit, you were just...
It's definitely better. It feels better.
Oh,
It feels
yeah.
like mushier and like, it like takes off now.
Oh yeah, yeah. And then it just, the boost just,
Yeah, it's just full yeet. Like, now I could do shock adjustment.
Yeah.
Shock adjustment. But what is this guy doing?
He's just parked there.
Oh, this is not this weird guy again that sits around and lives in his car. Probably. Well, considering we don't have too much time today, I think we're gonna call it a night and cruise on home. What do you think? And
Yeah.
call that a win. I mean, it definitely makes more boost with the boost controller, which is the point of the boost controller. And well, the CalTracs work, and shock seems to kind of sort of work. So yeah, let's rip.
That was converter floating.
Yeah, it was like about 7-8 pounds.
Yeah.
It's definitely faster.
Now imagine it doing that at like 20 pounds at the track.
I
It
know.
scares the shit out of you. You're like, why won't it shift?
It's like, wah! Yeah, so I think I need a converter back.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's just.
I don't lift.
Well, I didn't lift either, but
Yeah.
like, it definitely blows through it.
Oh yeah.
But I mean, it's kind of like traction control.
Kind of.
Yeah, you hear the, like I had it full and like I hit into gear and it was like, man, it seemed like it almost slipped and grabbed.
Yeah.
Unless it's legit just the fucking transmission slipping.
Yeah.
So. But hey, it hasn't blown up. Neat feature.
Yeah.
Morning, Wisconsin! It just skids so easy.
Oh yeah.
It's just, these tires are not gonna last.
They're like super junk.
Yeah, I know. Whatever, they're like super street tires.
I don't even think my truck does skids that easy.
No?
No, I don't know.
This is like all rolling too.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
I mean. The boost hits in this thing like a freight train.
Now that I adjusted the fucking the button, seems a nice sit. I didn't sit on it very long.
Yeah, but you hit 6 pounds.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
And I didn't have the brake on very hard. Remember before we were like Hulk holding the brake?
Yeah.
No, I don't have to
To the
anymore.
point where we had to reinforce the backing blades.
Yeah, that was sketchy. Anyways,